Welcome, students. Let's explore how artificial intelligence is entering our kitchens and changing the future of food production, especially for Semester 1 beginners. Artificial intelligence, or AI, helps us in cooking, storing, and even serving food more smartly. Just like gas revolutionized cooking, AI brings the next big change. Meet Winnow, an AI friend that tracks ingredients and tells us what and when to order. No more last-minute shortages. Is fun and fast. Imagine creating Indo-Chinese or Bengali Italian dishes easily. Smart kitchens must also be safe kitchens. Let's learn fire and electric safety for AI tools. Cleaning is caring. AI tools last longer with proper maintenance and hygiene. When AI devices stop, don't panic. Logs and analyzers help us find the problem quickly. Installation is step by step. Place carefully, connect correctly, and test properly. Learning AI is easy with proper training. Practice makes every kitchen smarter. Dear students, remember, AI is like a new helper in your kitchen. But just like we don't need all utensils at once, we don't need all AI tools either. Start with one or two. Apply for government help and team up with colleges or training centers. This way, you save money and still become smart with your kitchen. Slow and steady wins the race. Use soft and safe materials for cleaning AI gadgets. Handle with care. Culinary terms are like the kitchen's common language. Both chefs and AI understand them. When you use the right words like sauté, blanch, or simmer, it saves time, avoids confusion, and keeps the kitchen running smooth, especially during busy service hours. Different kitchens need different AI tools. There is no one-size-fits-all. Even if a restaurant kitchen is filled with smart machines, those machines still need trained humans to operate them and to supervise the process. Always remember, a kitchen without human touch cannot serve food that touches the heart. Thank you so much for watching. A detailed PDF with questions and answers is shared in the YouTube description box. Please do check it out. If you have any questions or need help, just comment below. This is AI Hotel Management by Cheff. Please like, share, and subscribe to support this journey.